Well, hello. This is Victoria Lowe, and I'm back with another video, which means another color. You guys, I'm coming at you with this beautiful fall purple that goes by the name of London. And yes, I'm taking you guys with me to do my wholesale orders. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick,
Let's mix it up.
mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it.
Let's mix it up.
First things first, I'm going in with my world famous lipstick base in 27 tablespoons or 484 grams. And the base that I'm using is the Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base. And if you don't know by now, you can get it from veryveelobeauty.com. I also have a video showing you guys how I make this base as well. But yes, I know you're wondering, why is she using so much base? Well, you guys, this happens to be one of my more popular colors. So individually, especially around this time of year, as well as wholesale. Okay, you guys, now that I've zeroed out my scale, I'm going to go ahead and add 6 tablespoons of the titanium dioxide, or 51 grams. And I'm going to fold this in gently enough so that the kitchen mixer can do its job. I'm just going to fold it in so that the titanium dioxide does not go flying everywhere, because that would be horrible and that would be so hard to clean up. So I'm just mixing it in gently, folding it in, and then I'm going to take it on over to the mixer, where the mixer can just go to work for me, the best kitchen assistant, or lipstick assistant as I should say, ever. And it's gonna mix it in so very well, and I am just so happy. Anytime I make 25 bottles or more, I'm taking this straight to the mixer. But the hand mixer does a great job too, but this one you can just put it on, walk away, and prep for the next color, which I am about to do. But before I do that, you want to clean that whisk off, just like the spatula. To avoid streaking and lines, you want to get rid of, clean that spatula, clean that whisk or spatula, whatever you're using, off really well. And now I'm going in with 15 tablespoons of the FD&C Red Alum Lake, batch certified, of course. And I am going to fold that in gently as well before I take that to the mixer. I'm just back to place emphasis on making sure that you scrape that bowl, especially after you've added your first transition color from the white. Sometimes I like to take the color and kind of ride it up the bowl and then scrape it off the bowl so that the color in the white, the titanium dioxide, is incorporated better. I don't know why, but it works. So the mixer is just going, and this is what I got. The consistency is great. So I am moving on to the next color. Now I'm going to say, like, this is the most color that I've made at once. But now I'm going in with 9 tablespoons or 43 grams of the FD&C Blue #1 Alum Lake. And blue is a very, oh my gosh, pigmented color. And I'm just going to clean that pink off. And this is what I have after I've added the blue. I folded the blue in already, you guys. Now I'm going in with a tablespoon of the black oxide to add depth. I folded the blue in, and now I'm going to fold the black in. I kind of did more than fold that blue in because that color is really kind of together. So I did mix a little bit, but I was like, let me just go ahead and add the black before I take it to the mixer. And that is how that is the depth, that it gave the color. So I'm right where I want to be when it comes to how dark I want it, and I went ahead and added it to the mixer. Okay, so I am back, and I'm going in with 12 tablespoons of the Isododecane remix, or 116 grams to be exact. And I'm just adding this to the bowl, and Then right after I add the ISO, I'm going in with more color. I'm going in with the FD&C Red number 27 in 12 tablespoons or 62 grams. And I'm going to fold that in together and scrape the sides of the bowl before I add it back to the mixer. And voila, that's where we are after adding the ISO and the color, because we are finishing off this color. So now I'm going in with my favorite, Kaolin Clay, and I forgot how much. I think it was 27 tablespoons. Oh my gosh, of Kaolin Clay. But I say, yeah, it was 27 tablespoons, because when you're adding the clay, you guys, and I get asked this question a lot, whether you are mixing for a couple of bottles, like maybe 3 to 5, or whether it's 25 or more, you want to add the kaolin clay in equal parts with your base. So if you use, now I'm going in with 12 tablespoons of the ISO remix, because as you can see, that clay gets clumpy. So this is going to bring us back to that nice cream consistency that we want in a liquid lipstick. But yes, you want to make sure that when you add your clay, you add it in equal parts to your base, because that's going to help to increase the absorption of those oils from the base, and that is what allows the lipstick to dry instantly. So yes, you guys, it looks like a liquid Play-Doh mess, but once that whisk gets to it, it blends it together so well. And here I am, I've already started to fill up my wholesale jars. Now I am adding it to the next jar, and I'm checking the weight of it, and it is so hard to try to get the exact weight every time, but I always fill it above what I mark it on my website as far as when I sell it. So it's good to give back and give a little extra, I appreciate y'all so much. But yes, I made approximately 3.5 jars. I made enough to fill about 3.5 jars up of the, you know what? I actually filled up 4.
Ladies and gentlemen.
These do expire in a year. So from the date that you purchase, everything is made to order, but from the day that you purchase, you will need to keep in mind that it does expire in a year. So yes, I'm just filling up my bottles, and I'm done. Like, I am done. If there's any extra left, I'll definitely save it for a sample, or definitely for a bottle for myself, okay? Because I have to have a collection too. And right here, you guys see me you see me applying the lipstick to my lips, and that is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. In time for the fall, this lipstick applies so smooth, and this purple is so vibrant. And excuse my hands, I wash them a lot. I wash my hands more than the average person. I have to. But yes, I'm applying this lipstick, and what I like about this one is it allows me to line my lips as well. So yes, I did purchase these bottles from Amazon. They're like a black ombre, really, really cute. And that's it. As you can see, it dried already. And I love, love, love the way it turned out. This is London, you guys. And I enjoy you guys coming by, watching these videos, supporting the company, supporting the channel, and supporting me. It truly means so much to me, and I appreciate and love each and every one of you. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Stay safe, you guys. Bye.